Hi, I'm Cy. Today I'm reviewing the SNIGJAT brand guitar wall mounts. This is a 2-pack. These are very highly rated by a very large number of people. So I have a feeling they're going to work very well for hanging our guitar. Inside the box it comes with these drywall hanger screws, and I will show you how to mount it. We've got our 2 wall mount hangers, 1 and 2. So you can see how they connect like that. They come in different colors, but this color looks really nice. I only need 1, but hey, how nice is it that it comes in a 2-pack? You can see we have the classic series here, and they do have the installation guidelines. Let's go ahead and hang one of these so you can see exactly how to do it. We're going to go ahead and mount our guitar hanger now. And if you're going to use the drywall screws like these here in drywall, it's recommended that you pre-drill with a 1/4 inch drill bit, which I've got here. And you'll need your 2 screws and your 2 drywall screws. I've already created a line here for where I want the top of the guitar hanger to be. And I'm going to go ahead and use a skinny drill bit that easily fits through these holes to just make my marks where I want my holes to be. And I'll make my other mark right here below. And you can see, so I've got my places where I'm going to drill right here with my 1/4 inch drill bit. All right, now we've got our holes and we're ready to put our drywall screws in. Now you could put these drywall screws in with a screw gun bit, but I highly recommend that you use a Phillips head screwdriver based upon my own experience, because it's much skinnier and can fit deeper in the drywall screw, which is going to make it much easier to put it in all the way. And I'll go ahead and show you now. Let's go ahead and mount the guitar hanger. All right, now we are ready to actually mount our guitar hanger with our drywall screws placed, and I am going to be using the Phillips head screwdriver for this. I'll go ahead and get it started just slightly so I know where it lines up. Now I've got it ready. Use the final stage of tightening with just a Phillips screwdriver if you're not confident in going slow and gentle with the screw gun. And just snug like that. You don't have to go too tight. And so now you've got your actual guitar holder, and you're going to go ahead and screw that into this hole right here. Nice and easy. Just line it up perfectly. And again, you don't want to go tight, just snug. To where you're right here. And now we can go ahead and hang the guitar and see how it looks. All right. And there it is. We're going to back up so you can get a better view. I'm very happy with the way it looks and how easily it mounted. I think this is going to work well for us. So if there's anything that we didn't like about the SNIGJAT guitar hanger, and this is what my wife didn't like, is that it comes slightly away from the wall. And that's probably normal, but my wife was hoping that the bottom of the guitar would actually go against the wall. So I think that's the only downside. So we've had our guitar hanging on this SNIGJAT guitar hanger for about a month and a half now, and it's been working good. But I'm definitely happy with this 2-pack of these SNIGJAT guitar hangers. I really like the way they look. I hope you liked this review. If you did like it, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and share this video. If you want to help support this channel, please use the links in the description or scan the QR code in the video to purchase, and I will see you next time. Thank you so much for watching. She's the one to blame, try to break me down, but all she did was spark a legend in the making. Always had the heart.